Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Starting off with track and field, Excelsior High School say they'll be taking a fearless approach into this year's Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. Jermaine Brown has our champs preview this evening.
Excelsior High are expressing confidence heading into this year's Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. And they have reasons to be confident following their performances at the Corporate Area Development Meet, where they defended their title on the girls' side, amassing 403 points, and placed 5th on the boys' side with 108 points. David Riley is the technical director for the overall program at the Mountain View-based school, and he says their performances at the corporate championships was a good measurement of their champs' readiness.
Tradition of winning and the effort that's needed to repeat year-over-year winning is what we need to go into Boys and Girls Champs. So we put out the effort. We take it very, very serious in terms of how we approach it, and we're going into champs with the same confidence, knowing that we're prepared, knowing that we're up against even the stiffer competition, and the athletes are fully prepared to give their best efforts.
At Champs 2022, Excelsior finished 5th on the girls' side with 107 points and ended 7th on the boys' side with 56 points. Riley says that they will not be paying attention to names, but will instead take a fearless approach into the championships as they look to improve on last year's placings.
The competition is going to be great, and we're not afraid of the competition. We are just looking forward to going out there and giving our best shot.
Riley coaches the boys' team, but he says both teams are well-rounded and ready to challenge the best at champs.
Well, we are heavy on technical events, so all the field events and hurdles are great for us. We've been able to develop those skills, so throws, jumps, hurdles, relays. We're very solid there as well because we have the depth to produce relay teams. So that's where our focus will be.
Excelsior has the distinction of being one of only 2 schools to have won both the boys and girls champs titles, the other being San Diego. Excelsior won the girls title 4 years straight, 1970, 71, 72 and 73, while the lone title on the boys' side was achieved in 1960. The Issa Boys and Girls Championships will be held from March 28 to April 1. Live coverage on TVJ, TVJ-SN, OneSpotMedia.com, and extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.